What do you have? What is that? Did you have candy? What did you say when you went to the door at the people's houses?
More.
More?
Oh. What did you
Did
tell
they
me?
give you candy when you said more? What did you have to say? What secret word did you have to say? Did you say trick or treat? Trick or treat!
Hey, Leah, what's your favorite candy you got in there?
There's more.
More?
There's more right there in my bag.
No, right there in your bag?
Sentence.
Yes.
There's more right there
In my
in my
bag.
Very good sentence.
So Lorenza, tell Grandma, what did you say when you went to the door?
Open.
Open? Hey, what did you say?
You say ding dong, and then what do you say?
Take a kilo.
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Hey, Leo, tell me how you said trick or treat.
Take
There you go. Now that guy knew how to say trick or treat.
Lorenzo was doing pretty good. Say your strong trick or treat.
a
Trick or treat. Can you yell trick or treat? Yell it real loud.
Go,